Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking one stiff A4 or 8, 5x11 sheet and placing it flat. This gives crisp vibrations. Once done, fold a 1/2 cm flap along the long edge to create the mouthpiece channel, because a narrow channel focuses the air and produces a clear tone. Make a tight roll from the opposite long edge toward the flap, tapering slightly so the tube is snug but not crushed. Make sure to align edges. This ensures even airflow and predictable pitch when you play. You continue by shaping the body. Keep the tube around 1.5 to 2 centimeters in diameter so the bore supports a clear fundamental. Once rolled, cut a 1 centimeter slit at the mouthpiece end and fold a 0.5 centimeter strip to form the reed. This thin flap vibrates against the air, producing sound. Make sure to secure the seam with tape in 2 places away from the reed, because a rigid seam prevents leaks, while a free reed area preserves vibration. You finish by tuning. Play with steady breath and trim the end a little to raise pitch or extend it to lower pitch, because length determines fundamental frequency. Once done, make micro adjustments to the reed. Tighten the fold for brighter attack, relax it for warmer tone, and smooth any dents so airflow is even. If you hear no sound or uncontrolled squeal, stop and check for leaks along the seam, a too stiff reed, or a collapsed tube. Fixing those restores normal vibration quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.